皆さん、こんにちは。弊社 CEO が毎月一つのテーマをピックアップし、長年の経験をもとに従来のニュースより一歩踏み込んで解説する CEO インサイトニュース深掘り。今回は、米国再エネ市場への投資に役立つヒントを解説します。
Welcome to CEO Insights. This month's topic is finding good values in the U.S. renewable markets. Obviously, it's extremely hot right now to invest in wind, solar, batteries, etc. Now, the traditional Japanese model of passive minority investor in projects isn't really working. It's really difficult to find good deals right now because it's overheated, like unbelievably overheated. There's too much money chasing the same structure currently. As a result, the valuations are really high and project risks are even higher because of the valuations. Now, if there's a really good deal, that deal never makes it offshore from the US. There's so much money in the US, they don't need to raise money from international clients. The international clients tend to see the less than stellar projects. Now, a different approach might yield a better deal flow at lower multiples. Now, consider acquiring old projects. There's a number of projects that were 15, 16 years old. The PPA might be about over. They're old half megawatt type technology, turbines, etc. They could be converted into today's 3 and 4 megawatt turbines by retrofitting. So the other way to look at it is consider moving down the chain to invest earlier in the cycle. So rather than waiting to see a project that is, I'll call it shovel ready, consider looking at becoming down in the developer side and being on the earlier. The other component is services and other related sectors are also attractive and less risky. Now, it's not necessarily asset-based, but the service sector is, of course, going crazy because of all the new developments. Somebody's got to do the L&M, somebody's got to do the asset management, somebody has got to sell the power, assuming it's not all PPAs, which is really hard to find. Lastly, consider changing the game. A lot of individual or small groups of companies investing, are one at a time, if you will. Perhaps creating a Japan mega fund and then allowing that mega fund to actually become its own developer and control the deal from the outset for Japan investors would give more control and a better return at lower risk. Just a thought. Anyway, thanks for watching. Sayonara.